Good afternoon, everyone. This is Alfonso with Stock Market Cash Flow TV. And I made a video earlier today. I still can't get my software to work, so I'm stuck using my phone for now to produce these videos, and I got to make this quick before my little girl gets here. I think I got about 25 minutes left before she gets here, but sometimes she shows up early. And this is 7 recession and crash proof stocks that you can, someplace a safe haven where you can put your money and don't really have to worry about it, because there's a lot of stocks that are crashing. But I added all these. Actually, I got a real long list, but I added all these to my watch list probably like 2 years ago. Maybe about 2 years ago, I added these to a watch list, and they have at a certain price, and all 7 of these have gone up, and they haven't fallen below the price that I added when I added them to the watch list. Some of them actually went up. But anyway, and the 3 out of the 7 are household names. And these are all large cap companies. They really, I'm just going to get into the list. The first asset on the list is Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT. And when I added this to my watch list, I added it at $184.91. That's the price I added it at. It currently has a dividend of $2.48 per share, with a dividend yield of 0.96%, and it's only down 7.39% the past year, and it has a payout ratio of 24.63%. And everybody heard in Microsoft. The industry is software infrastructure, so we already know Microsoft ain't going nowhere. Very, very strong company. Second on the list, McDonald's Corp, ticker symbol MCD. It was at $173.81 when I added it to my watch list. It closed today at $252.29. It has a dividend of $5.52 per share, with an annual yield of 2.18%, and it's actually up 7.17% the past year. And everybody knows it's the restaurant industry, and it has a payout ratio of 56.39%. Oh, and Microsoft closed at $262.85 today. Next on the list is MDC Holdings, ticker symbol MDC. When I added it to my watch list, it was at $26.92. It has a dividend of $2 per share, with a dividend yield of 5.91%. It's down 34.36% the past year. It has a payout ratio of 21.58%, which is excellent. It's in the residential construction industry, and it closed at $34.94 today. Asset number 4, Consolidated Edison, ticker symbol ED. And when I added it to my watch list, it was at $78.21 per share. It has a dividend of $3.16 per share, with a dividend yield of 3.25%. It's up 27.50% the past year, 27.50% the past year. And it's utilities industry, and it has a payout ratio of 71.94%. Coming in at number 5 on the list, and Consolidated Ed actually closed at $92.69 per share today. Coming in number 5, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, Aon PLC, ticker symbol AON. When I added it to my watch list, it was at $193.33 per share. It has a dividend of $2.24 per share, with the dividend yield of 0.82%. It's up 13.67% the past year. It has a payout ratio of 32.48%. It's in the insurance broker industry. And get this, it closed at $275.97 today. Everybody heard of this one, like Microsoft and McDonald's, Kellogg's company. When I added Kellogg to my watch list, it was at $64.09. It has a dividend of $2.32 per share. It has a dividend yield of 3.23%. It's up 11.56% the past year. Packaged foods industry. It has a payout ratio of 51.67%, which is pretty good. And it closed at $72.27 per share today. And I don't know if anybody, pretty sure everybody's familiar with the news that they announced last week, that they were splitting it to 3 separate companies. So the stock actually went up a little bit after that news. And the last company on the list, I don't know if some people probably heard of it, British American Tobacco, ticker symbol BTI. When I added it to my watch list, it was at $37.15 per share. It has a dividend of $2.96 per share. It has a dividend yield of 6.84%. And it's actually up 3.49% the past year. It closed at $41.26 per share today. It has a payout ratio of 73.62%, and that's in the tobacco industry. And like I said, if you guys, somebody just looking for some place to stick some money, because everything is actually crashing. But these are recession-proof stocks. They've been around forever. Like I said, tobacco, Kellogg's, cereal, and whatever else that they produce. Consolidated Ed, that's utilities. Everybody knows McDonald's. Everybody know what McDonald's do. And McDonald's is international in a lot of other countries. And everybody knows what Microsoft is. So these are actually, I consider them to be safe havens for your capital. With that being said, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit subscribe, and share this video with other people. Somebody might can use this information. And until the next video, peace. Thanks for watching. Peace.